Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in with a new account on your PlayStation 5 Pro. If this is your first time, press the PlayStation button, and then we can go on over to the account options right here. You can see my account, Temple Slice, and then we can go to Switch User or we can log out. So I'm just going to go to log out right here, and it's going to bring me to the screen where I can press the PlayStation button on the controller, and I'll be able to see all my different accounts. So all I have to do is go to the left to add user. And you can go to add a user to this PlayStation 5, or you can go to play as a one-time guest right here. So I want to add it to my account, so I'm going to go to where it says get started. Go to agree and go to confirm. Now we have the option to sign in manually or scan the QR code. Scan the QR code works so much easier because I can type in my email address and password on my phone without having to do it on my controller. So open up the camera application on your phone, and then scan this and it'll open up a link to download the PlayStation application on your phone, which is very convenient. Allows me to log in really quick. Otherwise, we can go to sign in manually and then just type in your email address and password right here. Otherwise, you do have the option to create an account and skip and play offline right here. So if you can't sign in, press the triangle button and it's going to allow you to reset your email address password right here. So it's very simple. Once you do that, you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.